Stop scrolling, because this tiny camera might completely change the way people create videos in 2026. At first glance, the DJI Nu 2 looks like just another compact camera. But after testing it, I realized there's a lot more hidden inside this small body than most people would expect. The big question is it actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Stay with me, because by the end of this review, you'll know exactly whether this camera deserves your money. You're watching Drone Dominator, where we bring you honest drone and camera reviews to help you make the right buying decision. The first thing you'll notice is the design. DJI has kept the camera incredibly small, lightweight, and easy to carry. It easily fits into your pocket, making it perfect for travel, daily vlogging, family trips, and outdoor adventures. Despite its compact size, it feels premium and well-built, giving confidence that it can handle everyday use. Setting it up is also very simple. Even if you've never used a DJI camera before, you'll be recording within minutes. The controls are easy to understand, and the touchscreen responds quickly, making navigation smooth and beginner-friendly. Now let's talk about the most important part, the camera quality. DJI has packed impressive imaging technology into this tiny device. In daylight, the footage looks sharp, colorful, and full of detail. The dynamic range is excellent, helping preserve highlights and shadows for a more natural cinematic look. Skin tones appear realistic, and colors are vibrant without looking oversaturated. When the lighting starts to get darker, the camera still performs surprisingly well. Noise is controlled nicely, details remain clear, and the overall image stays clean enough for social media, YouTube, and professional content creation. One feature I really liked is the stabilization. Even while walking or filming handheld, the footage stays smooth and steady, giving your videos a polished look without needing extra equipment. And here's something interesting. In the next part, I'll show you the hidden features, battery performance, audio quality, and one important drawback that most reviews don't talk about. Now, before we continue, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and let me know in the comments which camera or drone you want me to review next. Now let's talk about the battery life. DJI has done a great job here. On a full charge, the DJI Nu 2 delivers enough recording time for vlogging, travel videos, daily content creation, and short filmmaking sessions without constantly worrying about running out of power. Charging is also quick, so you can get back to shooting in less time. Audio quality is another area where this camera performs really well. The built-in microphones capture clear voice recordings, making it suitable for everyday vlogs and interviews. And if you're looking for even better sound, it also supports external microphone options, giving creators more flexibility for professional content. One feature that really impressed me is how intelligently the camera works. Whether you're recording yourself, walking, or capturing moving subjects, it keeps the footage stable and the subject in focus, making it much easier to create professional-looking videos without carrying heavy camera gear. Of course, no camera is perfect. If you mostly shoot in extremely dark environments or expect cinema-level image quality, you'll notice some limitations. But considering its compact size, portability, and overall performance, these compromises are completely reasonable. So, is the DJI Nu 2 worth buying? In my opinion, absolutely yes. If you're a YouTuber, vlogger, traveler, or someone who wants high-quality videos without carrying a large camera, the DJI Nu 2 is an excellent choice. It combines portability, impressive image quality, smooth stabilization, and user-friendly features into one compact package. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and I'll see you in the next video with another honest review. Until then, keep creating and keep flying.